Hi everyone, I'm Mark Johnson, and today I'm working on one of my projects for a change instead of somebody else's. Seems as if mine always get put on the back burner and on hold um, till the end of the year, like it is right now, end of November, and we're breaking ground and pouring concrete for the foundation for my grandfather's house. His name was Sophus, so we're calling it Sophus's house. So anyhow, we're using a skid loader down here to get the concrete spread around. I had an old concrete bucket from years ago, which required us to water it down so bad that the poor truck driver would have ran out of water, I think, if we'd have kept using that damn thing. But anyway, it's working good with the dirt bucket on the skid loader, and two guys helping dump it out. It's going a heck of a lot better than my old contraption, shall we say. So anyhow, we hopefully will have enough to do the whole thing. We're going to plan for running out over on the far wall over there, because we can't we don't have enough forms to do the whole basement in one shot anyway. So we're going to plan ahead, planning for Murphy's Law, should I say. Anyhow, I got to get back to work. This crap's getting hard. Bye.